Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a an eighth grade standard that deals with rigid transformations. And a lot of you are like, "What in the world is that?" It actually breaks down to three simple things. Okay, and we're going to talk about those today. I'm going to show you what those look like, and even talk about when you use those in real life. But what I want to do is bring on a special guest that also struggles with math that I think might help you guys out a lot because you might have the same questions. Okay? So this here is my friend, Tommy. Tommy, are you awake?
No.
Well, if you just say no, then that means you're awake.
Oh, darn.
Darn for sure. Hey, Tommy, we were talking about rigid transformations. What are you doing? What are you doing?
That was a really big word.
It's a really, really big word. It is a really big word. Rigid transformation is very complex.
So complex.
So get out of the camera.
What? I like doing that. It's funny.
It's not funny. Nobody's laughing.
I think somebody just laughed. Comment below if you laughed.
No, don't say comment below if you laughed. Stop.
What?
No, just we're focusing on math.
Oh, sorry.
Rigid transformation, there's three things that you can do. How many?
6.
No, three.
6.
Three.
Really, there's 6.
Okay, well, we're going to focus on three.
Okay, 3.
So there's three. You have a translation.
A translation.
Good. You have a reflection.
A reflection.
Good. And you have a rotation.
Oh, a rotation. Like, wee! Spin.
Exactly, kind of like a spin. We'll talk about what those three do. Okay? We're going to start first with a translation. Does that sound good?
Sure.
So I have on the screen two shapes. Do you see those two shapes?
Yeah, so there's a triangle and what's that one thing that, has 5 sides and,
A pentagon?
yeah, a pentagon.
Good. So we have two of those shapes. Okay? A translation is going to look something like this, where I would take this shape right here. Oh, I'm not trying to draw a shape. Undo.
Yeah, undo.
I'm going to try to take a shape and I move it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to just click on this mouse, see if it'll let me do this. Use a select tool. I'm going to use, oops.
You're struggling.
I am struggling right now, but it's only because I'm getting new to this thing right here. Okay, so this shape right here, we're going to select it. Okay, with that shape, I can translate it. Okay, which is basically so.
Ah, you broke it. It's
What are you doing? You sound like you're like coughing.
here though.
Oh, got it. Um, yeah, I understand that I selected the shape wrong, so that it basically is not quite there. We're going to do that again. A translation is a slide. Okay, where literally you're just sliding the shape along the same plane. Okay, which means that that shape moved from here to basically it would be like this. This is a translation. I would take this shape, okay, that's right here, and I'm going to translate it from one section to the other.
Ah, I see that.
Yeah, it'd be kind of like moving your couch from one side of the room to the other without actually changing the shape.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, rigid transformation. There's a reason the word rigid is there. Rigid means like stuck, firm, in place. That shape doesn't change size.
Oh, I get it.
Yeah, exactly. But there's another version of this too that's really important, okay? And that's called a rotation. We're going to start with a rotation. And obviously, a rotation is kind of what it sounds like. Basically, your shape is going to be flipping. Now, notice, see that shape is flipping?
Oh, yeah, you're turning it.
I am turning it. But as I turn it, the shape itself doesn't change, it's just rotating. Okay? And a lot of times, what you'll see is you'll see a shape rotates along a single point.
What do you mean by that?
Well, if I took a shape like this, we'll say I took this triangle and I wanted it to rotate it along this point right here. Okay, so basically what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take this, I'm going to draw a line like that.
Oh, I think I see it.
You do? What do you see?
Well, if you do that, then the other 2 lines are there too.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Watch, draw them.
Oh, I see what you're saying. So you're saying if I do it like that, that this line is like that, And this line is like that. So my triangle stays the same.
Yeah, all I did is rotate.
All it did is rotate, right? Something along those lines.
Oh, I get it. Your drawing is a little off, though.
My drawing is a little bit off. Okay, that's called a rotation along a point. So it's rotating along that point.
Oh, I get it. I see it. I see it. I see it. Okay, what about that other one?
The reflection?
Yeah, reflection.
Well, reflection.
Reflection.
Thank you. So a reflection is similar, but basically in a reflection, you're taking it like it's a mirror. So pretend there's a mirror right there.
That is a terrible straight line.
I know it's a terrible straight line, but be nice.
Okay, terrible.
Okay, I get it.
Is it a terrible line? Comment below.
Okay, don't comment below if it's a terrible line. Just focus. We're reflecting right now.
Oh, okay.
So it's kind of hard to reflect a pentagon because it's going to look really similar. But basically, reflection is that same shape, just flipped. And what I mean by that is we're going to picture that this point right here is A.
A.
Exactly. If I were to take that shape and I were to reflect it across this line, it would be in the exact reverse of it. So what I would do is I would draw that shape, and we're going to pretend this shape is the exact same size, same in everything.
It's not.
I know it's not. We are going to...
Oh, yeah, they're tanned.
Thank you. Because it's a reflection, where would point A be? Right here?
Yeah.
No, it's a reflection. That means it's the mirror image. So the A would be over here. You see how it like flips? It's almost like you're taking that piece of paper and folding it.
Oh, I get it. I see it.
What's that called?
A reflection.
Exactly, a reflection. Okay, so you have a reflection. You have what was this one over here called?
A rotation.
Good. And if I were to take a shape and I were to take it and slide it like this, what's that called?
Translation.
A translation. You're absolutely right. All right. Any questions about this, Tommy?
No, I think I got it.
Well, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment. Keep in mind, you'd use this in real life.
No, you wouldn't.
Yes, you would. You use this in real life all the time.
Name one.
Name one time you'd use this in real life. Okay, Tommy.
Oh, man, you really got one?
No, I was going to challenge everybody. What I want you to do is look up when would you use translation, reflection, and rotations, thank you, in real life. When you find it, comment below. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah, subscribe.
Okay, stop. Remember, focus on this video. If you have any questions, comment, and I can make some more.
Man, you're making them comment a lot.
No, you're making them comment a lot. I only had a couple ideas. Are you done?
Yeah. Oh!
I didn't mean to throw you. I'm sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you hurt?
I don't know yet. I can't move my body.
What? I actually don't think you could anyway.
What do you mean?
Never mind. Thanks, guys. We'll catch you later. Good luck.